Welcome to Hunters Creek. This home is coming soon on the market, and not only does it have a gorgeous pool with unbelievable water views, but it also has an excellent location right in the heart of Hunters Creek. In just a short drive, you can enjoy your favorite restaurants, do your shopping, and the best part, this home is only a couple of blocks away from the elementary school. Let's go and take a look around.